Hello, hello, yep, it's all on. It's all working. Okay, well, okay, so I'm gonna give you a quick rundown and I'm not even gonna bother doing any thingy, because, yeah, why not? So go to render animations. This is just a quick. I click render animation. I didn't mean to. I mean file, new, video editing. Right, okay, so quick explanation. This, you'd put your video here, and I may cut just to get a video up. I'm probably gonna do that. See, simply put, not really great. Is it still recording? Yeah, it is. So here's the thing. Blender's good. Blender is very good. You sort your stuff out here and you write your name, choose the file, change it to this, and then you go to here, put it to an MP3, go here, and extend the length to what you believe it needs to be, and it's a very simple process. And you can do some more complicated things, but I'm not going to get into it. But because Blender is more for animating, it can animate videos, but it's more for model design and 3D models and so on and so forth. And Blender is okay, it's good, it's great, but it is outshined by Premiere, which is by far something I'm more experienced in. This I've been winging. That's why the videos, as you can see, are not too not edited at all actually in this one because it was a short video. It's only a minute long. I have some other videos which are 30 minutes long and are way more edited than this and have a lot more effort put in. But it is much harder to use Blender, I find, and it's much more restricted. Or maybe I'm wrong because I'm not the most skilled person at Blender, but I do know how to use it. And yeah, I'm not gonna diss Blender. Blender's good. If you want a free editing software, this is the one you want to get. You want to get this. You want to up it. You want to just learn the basics, and then if you're starting off on video editing or anything like that, use Blender for free. Yeah. If you want to, in my opinion, because I've used Premiere more, and I find it much easier. Premiere is a better video editing software, but you have to pay. There are probably ways you can get it for free. I'm not gonna go over that. I'm probably just gonna pay for it, but it be how it be. Anyway, this is just me explaining that I'm probably gonna buy Premiere. This is probably the last video I'm gonna use Blender on. As you can see, it's silly. I'm gonna keep Blender, just for reasons. But I am gonna probably use Premiere after this. I'm also going to be moving on to gaming videos probably and other things like that. I'm moving away from more commentary video, moving away from commentary style videos. Um, but yeah, I just wanted to make an explanation why I'm not going to be using Blender after this, I guess, and why Premiere is going to be the thing I use, and it's just mainly because it's easier for me, in my opinion, and a better editing software that's more put towards editing than Blender is that Blender by far is one of the best free editing softwares or free editing things you can use. Uh, but again, that's my opinion. I hope you enjoyed the video. There isn't really much to say after this, so I really wanted to get out of the way. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed and bye. Subscribe.